Dear students, in this video I am going to explain you what is binary code, what is gray code, and how binary codes can be converted into gray code. So basically a binary code represents a text or a computer processor instructions in which the binary numbers systems or the two-digit number systems are used. These two digits are nothing but 0 and 1. The binary code assigns a bit string to each symbol or instruction. Let us go to the next slide. So what is a gray code? A gray code is also called as a reflected binary code, and it is marked after the name of Frank Gray. Okay, he has discovered this code. Now again, one more important thing about this code is that gray code is a non-weighted code. What does it mean? The gray codes or the values inside the gray code, the numbers or the digits inside the gray code does not carry any positional weight. Now this was originally designed to prevent a spurious output from electromagnetic switches. Basically they have invented for removing the spurious output from electromagnetic switches. Let us go to next slides. Here in this table what is shown is the gray code and the relationship of gray code with binary number. Now we can see here these are nothing but the binary numbers. We have already aware of it. This is called as 8421 system. We have already seen this. Now how the binary code is converted into gray code. So basically that we will see. Now we are getting these corresponding gray codes for the given binary. We will see in the next slide how these binaries are converted into gray code. Let me clear the screen. Okay, now this screen shows the conversion of binary to gray code. Now what are the steps? Step number 1, the MSB. We know what is the MSB. MSB is basically the most significant bit in the gray code is same as that of the corresponding MSB in the binary code. That is a step number 1. Second, from left to right, each adjacent pair of binary code bits to get the next gray code bit, going from left to right. Okay, we have to start from the left direction and go on adding the adjacent binary bits till we reach the least significant bit, or that is also called as LSB. Okay, so now let me clear the screen once again and we'll understand how this binary can be converted into gray code. Now see here is a number which is given in binary. The number is 1 0 1 1 and 0. So how to convert it into gray code, that is shown over here. Now this bit is called as MSB bit. This bit is called as most significant bit. While converting it into the gray code, we have to write it as it is. Are you getting my point? So simply this one has to be written as it is. Now while proceeding next, let me clear the screen again. So this one is written over here. Now this one is added with the next adjacent bit, that is 0. So this one is added with this 0. So what is the binary addition of 1 and 0 is again 1. So this is the answer for 1 plus 0. We have to repeat the same process. Now we have to go again to the right side bit and add this bit with this 0. So add this 0 plus 1. Again we get here as 1. Sum is 1. Now at this point just pay attention. Now here both the numbers are 1. So what is the addition of 1 plus 1? Addition of 1 plus 1 is basically we get a 0 and we get a carry 1. Okay, so here 0 is a sum and 1 is carry. So when we get such type of answer 1 plus 1, that time we have to discard the carry and record only sum. So 1 plus 1, the summation is 0 carry generated is 1, but that carry has to be discarded. Okay. Similarly, now next position, add 1 plus 0. The sum is 1. There is no question of carry. So this is the procedure for converting the given binary code or binary number into corresponding gray code. Thank you very much.